I went to the store yesterday. It's important to go the extra mile. Can we go over what we learned in the last lesson? What do all these sentences have in common? That's right, they all use the verb go. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this lesson we are learning about the verb go. This is one of the most common verbs in English, and you can use it in so many different ways. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, you can use go to talk about movement from one place to another. So the typical structure is subject plus go or goes plus to plus another place. I go to work every morning. She goes to the library after class. They go to parties on the weekends. And as you probably know, I go, you go, he, she, it goes, they go, and we go. Now let's look at the verb go in different tenses. Some of these tenses you might already know, and some might be new for you. If you're a little confused, don't worry. You'll learn more about these more complicated tenses in the future videos, like B1 level and sometimes B2. Present simple. I go to the store every Saturday. I go to the store every Saturday. Past simple. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store yesterday. Future simple. I will go to the store tomorrow. I will go to the store tomorrow. Present continuous. I'm going to the store right now. I'm going to the store right now. Past continuous. I was going to the store when it started raining. I was going to the store when it started raining. Future continuous. I will be going to the store later. I will be going to the store later. Okay, great. So those were the different tenses you can use go in. Now let's look at some phrasal verbs. Do you remember what a phrasal verb is? A phrasal verb is a verb plus an adverb or a preposition used together to give a different meaning to the verb alone. Here's an example. To go on. To go on. This means to continue. So, if someone is speaking, you might say, "Oh, go on," and that means continue speaking. Please go on with your presentation. Please go on with your presentation. Go out. If you go out, you leave your house to go somewhere. We're going out for dinner tonight. We're going out for dinner tonight. That means we're going to a restaurant to eat dinner. To go over. This just means to review or examine. I would like to go over my speech one more time before I give my presentation. I would like to go over my speech one more time. Go through. This means to experience something, often difficult. She went through a lot last year. She went through a lot last year. Go off. This means to explode or make a loud noise. For example, "Oh, the fire alarm is going off. It's so loud. The fire alarm is going off." Okay, now let's move on to some expressions we use with go. These are also a little more advanced, but they're important to know. Go for it. Go for it. This means to take a chance or try something. If you want the job, you should go for it. If you want the job, you should go for it. Go crazy. Go crazy. This means to be very excited or sometimes very angry. The fans were going crazy after the team scored a goal. The fans were going crazy. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile means to put in extra or special effort. She will always go the extra mile to help her colleagues. She'll always go the extra mile. go hand in hand. Go hand in hand. This means things are closely related. For example, success and hard work often go hand in hand. Success and hard work often go hand in hand. All right, so that's it for today's lesson on go. Would you like to have a go? Would you like to try it for yourself? Well, in the comments below, you can practice writing a few of these sentences. Practice using go in the different tenses. Or practice one of the phrases we use with go. Or how about a phrasal verb? We can't wait to see what you write. Also, if you're ready for a little more practice, check us out at lingoni.com. There, you'll find interactive exercises and worksheets for this lesson, and also podcasts and other special things that'll help you take your English to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Gotta go!